Okay, hello everybody. We are going to do a speed round 5-minute Google Photos tutorial on creating a collage with your letters, your letter photos that you've found and collected. So this is going to be really quick. Once you have your photos on Google, now you don't have to do it this way. You can do it any other way you want. But if you have Google and you want to put your photos on here, there's a really cool way to create a collage. Once you have all your letters that you want, you're going to click create right up here, create in photos. You can do a lot of stuff. We're going to do collage. Okay, so we're going to go right down to collage. And up here, you can only select 2 to 9 items for a collage. So obviously that's not the whole alphabet, but you are more than welcome to do multiple collages and turn them in. So right here, I have a good amount of letters. I don't have the whole alphabet, but I'm going to choose my favorites. So I made that earlier, so I'm going to keep that. So I can choose 9. I love the L. I like the J. Oh, those are kind of okay. I like the M. I love my A. Let's do the Z. Okay, I have 4 selected. Okay. I like this one. Do that one. I love the S. It's a cute little Y. The Q, that was a hard one to find. And I have 9. Okay, so that's all I can do. So I have 9 selected. It won't move on if you have more than 9. So we're going to come over here to the edge and click create after they're all clicked on. And it's just going to randomly put it together for you. So it's creating the collage and it's going to load. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. You like that? Yeah. All right. It's taking kind of a long time to load. Hopefully it will. Okay, and there it's loaded. Okay, so here's my very first collage for my letters. I love it. Look, it's 3 by 3, so all my photos are nicely in there. And you can see, oh, the only one that messed up was the J. It kind of got cut off on the bottom. But the others are pretty good. The S, Q, everything was nicely centered, so I was able to keep that. So I might go through and fix the J photo or choose a different one because all of these were squared off. But you have my G, S, Q, L, M, E, Y, J, and A. So I think I might keep this and do a little mixing up and choosing all my other letters to do these collages. Let's see. Let's go back. Okay, so if you guys have any questions at all, of course, I am available every Tuesday and Thursday. Y'all know I'm online. So come to my meetings. Text me if you have a problem. My number that you can text me on is on the website on Canvas. And email, of course, is available. So go out and take awesome photos and make a sweet collage.